Good morning, YouTube. It's been a while since I've been back online to try to work on my boat. I've got a couple things I still need to do before I get started back on the boat, and it's been raining here almost every day. It's hard to get onto the fiberglass, cutting and sanding out. So what I thought I'd do is work on the trailer a little bit, and what I decided to do this morning is install one of these. It's for a 2-inch ball. All my fittings and balls on the truck are 2-inch. The one on the boat is actually a 1.5 or 1 7/8, excuse me. And I'll get down here to see if I can show you what I've got right here. This one's getting rusty. It's hard to clamp around. It's getting pretty tight to do, so I decided I'd go ahead and upgrade to a 2-inch ball and try to get this one installed. Now what I've got is I don't know if you can see it here. I've got a couple places on the side here. Right here, this welded, and it's welded across the top and of course on the other side. So I'm gonna have to grind this off right here so I can get this one back on. And then I think what I'm gonna end up doing to just temporary it is I'm going to install some bolts through here to temporary it on there until I can get my welder set up, and I can go ahead and weld it, tack weld it back down in there. The trailer's not going anywhere right now, so I'm not really worried about anything other than putting a couple bolts in there. So I'm going to go ahead and start grinding this off and open it up so that we can go ahead and change it out. So that's what we're going to do, and I'll be back shortly. Let's see if I can zoom it in. Where the hell's the zoom on this thing? Oh, is this zoom? All right, so here we go. I'm